Thank you for purchasing from AvantLush. Flo, let's get your frame up in minutes.
You'll need drill, screwdriver, pencil, level, hammer.
Hold your frame where you want it. Use a level, then mark each hole with a pencil.
Drill a 1/2-inch hole at each mark. Tap in the anchors until flush.
Screw the standoff barrels into the anchors. These create the floating effect. Align the acrylic holes with the barrels. Insert the caps and gently tighten.
Step back and smile, Sith. Your moment is now floating beautifully.
Thanks for choosing AvantLush for your